bored by doing same thing daily? Hello everyone, I am Sarika Bhushan. Today I am going to talk about something different but also same at the time. That is how technology is changing education. What is the requirement to change? So come, let's explore about Edu Revolution. Coming to revolution, which begins with an idea and curiosity. And today, we are living in such an era where technology has not just upgraded education but also helped to learn from digital classroom to AI-powered learning platform. Students today no longer passive listeners. They are active creators exploring knowledge at their own pace and style. Here at LPU, this transformation is not just adopted, it is celebrated because the concept of EduRev, where students gain practical-based knowledge, projects, real-life examples, experience as well as earn while learn. Recently, our President of India, Draupadi Murmu ji, has also appreciated the concept of earn while learn. Coming to the benefit that we can take in EduRev depends on the courses like non-core, core, different things have different criteria. Come, let's explore. First, coming to the core courses in which we have RPL, which means recognition of prior learning, in which we had already learned something. We don't need to repeat. We can apply, we can utilize this time to explore something new. Grade upgradation, in which if we qualify exams related to any kind of certifications related, so we can avail the benefit. Projects, we can experience industry exposure also. Second, if we talk about non-core courses, in addition to previous benefits, we have revenue generation, that is earn by learn concept, community service, where we can help the society and also avail the benefits by doing so. Internships, which is beyond the curriculum, and co-curricular activities or extracurricular activities we do. Third, there is benefits of value addition, also by which engagement of additional academic or professional or a skill-based activity beyond the regular curriculum that enhance a student knowledge and also employability. Fourth is a referral program which gives us opportunity to be change maker by getting rewarded by joining and contributing by let's grow together as student, as a leader and as a university. Fifth is the 10% attendance relaxation. We get this benefit for the recruitment purpose or preparing the competitive examinations, technical competitions, industry and field projects, freelancing and entrepreneurship projects also come under this. Last but not the least, duty leave, which we get by doing rather than classes for different tiers. So, the concept of EduRev helps children to avoid or shift rote memorization to skill-based learning or experience. Earlier, we had to give only examinations for getting our grades or to qualify in our academics. But nowadays, especially at LPU, we have come across a long way where we have this much advantage because it's not only about marks but skills matter. Earlier, many students faces problems in speed of learning. Nowadays, technology have come this much that we can pace our learning. This not only helps students to learn but also to clear many doubts and revise the same topic many times. Such online technology not only help students but also give them advantage to self-pace according to their learning speed. So, moving with this, what you think? What you think? Tell. Will the role of teacher will change in the new education era? Or will the role of teacher still important in this technology era? Comment down your answers. What's your opinion? So, concluding this topic, technology in education is no longer luxury, it's the language of future education. Now, comment down what feature should be added for more better advancement of learning, and also tell us which feature or concept of EduRev of LPU you like the most. Thank you.